In today's video, I'll show you how to share and unshare passwords instantly when needed, and do it securely. Whether you're working on a team project or just need to send a login to a family member, the process doesn't have to be complicated. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll show you the fastest, most secure way to do it. First things first, when it comes to sharing passwords, security should always come first. You might be using a password manager, but even if you aren't, there are methods that can help you instantly share and unshare passwords securely. Let's dive into the most efficient ways to do this, step by step. Start by choosing a password manager that allows you to share passwords with others without revealing them directly. One of the easiest and safest ways to share a password is through software that lets you send a password to another user securely, without exposing the actual password. This software stores encrypted versions of your passwords, so only authorized users can access them. You'll want to use a password manager that supports sharing features. Many of the top options allow you to create shared vaults where you can send specific passwords to someone, giving them access to only what they need, without the risk of exposing your entire vault. When you need to unshare a password, simply remove access from the shared vault. With most password managers, this is just a click of a button. You can instantly revoke access to a password, ensuring no one has the ability to use it any longer. It's that simple and quick. For those of you who haven't used a password manager before, don't worry, this process is super user-friendly. After setting up your account and storing your passwords, you can quickly share and unshare credentials with just a few steps. The software we'll be using today supports all of these features, so you don't need to worry about security or complex steps. Now, the reason I recommend using a password manager is because it's the most secure and efficient way to manage your passwords. Trying to share passwords through text or email is risky. Passwords can get intercepted or shared with the wrong people. With a password manager, you get end-to-end encryption, and only authorized users can see or use the passwords you share. As a bonus, I'm offering you an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, available only for viewers of my channel. You can grab it in the description below to follow along and experience the ease of secure password sharing and unsharing yourself. The key takeaway from today is this: sharing and unsharing passwords instantly when needed is all about using the right tools. With a secure password manager, you can give access when necessary and revoke it just as quickly. Remember, don't share passwords through unsafe methods like email or text. Always use a secure password manager. Quick recap: to share and unshare passwords instantly, use a password manager with sharing features, create shared vaults, and remove access when needed. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.